We've been thrilled just to be involved with Trans World Radio and all the great things that are going on here. And to be able to work at the largest radio station in the Western Hemisphere is just amazing, and for that to be on BONEIRU is just even better. So it's great that we can work with them and get the word of get the gospel out to everyone across South America and Central America and into the Caribbean. I mean, it was great bringing the family here. I mean, it makes it a little bit tougher moving 4 kids out of their normal life. Makes it a little bit more challenging, but then again, to have all of us here together, we're kind of our own little team here, so that makes it a whole lot easier that we can all go through this together and just enjoy it together and go through the good times and the bad times together as a family.
God has just wrapped us up. We have a great community here with Trans World Radio and just meeting locals on the island. Everybody's been so welcoming, and so it makes those tough times a little easier to get through. We started in our first house, the house we raised our babies in, and this is the second house.
God has put us here for right now, so we're going to be here and doing the work that He's got in front of us, and could be for indefinite, just kind of until God moves us somewhere else. So we're looking to be here for the long haul, and just looking forward to getting into the Bonairian culture and being a part of the island and a part of the culture here.
You're a little fast in languages. You speak a little Dutch and Papiamento. How is this going?
It's going pretty good, yeah. We Netherlands aan het leren and nos está enseñando Papiamento. So we're trying to learn them, and hopefully, just the more and more we get in and get here and speak it, that soon we'll be able to speak good in Papiamento and in Dutch, and be able to just communicate with everyone on the island in their native language is what we'd like to do. So I did live in Taiwan for a little bit, so I learned some Chinese. So but not a whole lot. But we might be able to get a little bit more of that on the island too, as there's some Chinese on the island too. So that was good. With TWR, I'm kind of doing a lot of the administrative stuff and a lot of the human resources stuff. So I'll be just kind of helping out with all the missionaries that are here, making sure everyone's got what they need, working with all of our licenses, working with the government, just making sure we've got everything we need to go onto the air every day, and then just anything else that needs to be done around here. Like today, we're mowing lawns and shoveling rocks, so just whatever needs to be done, we're going to do, and just continue spreading the gospel to the ends of the earth. We don't have much experience in other countries. Yeah, I mean, we've kind of been up in Michigan for our whole lives, so this is kind of a new experience for us, getting out and serving the Lord across the world. So it's been a new experience for us that we've been enjoying.
I desire so much to have best friends right now for my kids, for myself, for us, and it's just taking the time and building those relationships. And I know God is in the details, and He's got the best plan. So just take it each day and let Him put those people in front of me and grow relationships.
What do you think about Bonaire?
I like it.
What do you like most?
The ocean. Everything.
Everything. Do you like Bonaire?
Yes.
Yes. What do you like?
The ocean. I'm thinking that I really like the iguanas.
You don't like the ocean?
Well, I do.
How was it to come from the States to Bonaire?
Well, it was kind of sad and kind of happy.
Okay. Why sad?
Because I wanted to stay with my friends and my family, but moving down here is pretty exciting too.
What do you think from the work as Christian that your father do in Bonaire?
I like that we can get all over the world, but we don't have to travel all over the world to them.
You're gonna have to learn maybe 1 or 2 more languages here in Bonaire. What do you think from this?
It's kind of hard because they're pretty different from each other, and you can't. I get them mixed up. I know how to count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Do you guys also know Dutch? Yes.
Some of it.
What do you know in Dutch?
How to count, how to say I love you.
How do you say that?
You count, wait, no.
Oh, very nice. And you? Can you say good day in Papiamento?
I think it was bon dia. On the first day, we learned bon dia and kontabai.
You guys doing good. Do you know something papiamento?
No.
No, not yet.
That God will always love you no matter what you do.